Canelo Álvarez is a Mexican professional boxer born on July 18, 1990 in San Agustín, Jalisco, Mexico. He is celebrated as one of the most accomplished and marketable fighters of his generation, having secured world championships across 4 weight divisions: light middleweight, super middleweight and light heavyweight. Canelo grew up as the youngest of 8 siblings in a tight-knit family on a modest ranch near Guadalajara. His distinctive red hair and freckles earned him the nickname Canelo, meaning cinnamon in Spanish. In 2021, he made history by becoming the first undisputed super middleweight champion, holding the WBA, WBC, WBO and IBF titles simultaneously. In May 2022, he returned to light heavyweight and challenged for the WBA super light heavyweight title but was defeated by Dimitri Bivol via unanimous decision. Known as an excellent counter-puncher, Álvarez is able to exploit openings in his opponent's guards while avoiding punches with head and body movement. He is also known as a formidable body puncher. 6'7", The Ring ranked Álvarez as the world's best boxer pound for pound from November 7, 2019 to March 16, 2022. One of boxing's biggest ever pay-per-view stars, he is consistently one of the highest paid athletes in the world, making Forbes' list of the world's highest paid athletes in 2019, 2022 and 2023. In 2013, he beat Austin Trout to win the World Boxing Association WBA Unified Version and Ring titles. In the same year, he lost his WBC and Ring Light Middleweight titles to Floyd Mayweather Jr. in his first professional defeat. He defeated Miguel Cotto to win the WBC and Ring Middleweight titles in 2016. That same year, he returned to light middleweight to beat Liam Smith to win the World Boxing Organization WBO title. In 2017, he fought unified middleweight champion Gennady Golovkin to a split draw. Their rematch in 2018 saw Álvarez beat Golovkin to become the WBA Super Version, WBC and Ring Middleweight champion. The following year, he beat Rocky Fielding for the WBA Super Middleweight title and won the International Boxing Federation IBF Middleweight title from Daniel Jacobs in 2019. Later that year, Álvarez made his light heavyweight debut, knocking out former unified champion Sergey Kovalev to claim the WBA title. In 2021, Álvarez became the first and only boxer in history to become the undisputed super middleweight champion before becoming a 2-time undisputed super middleweight champion in May 2025. He has also held the Ring Magazine Super Middleweight title since 2020. On February 27, 2024, it was reported that Canelo would defend his undisputed Super Middleweight title against Jaime Munguia on May 4 in Las Vegas Cinco de Mayo weekend. The fight was confirmed on March 12, 2024. Despite a bright start from Munguia, Canelo managed to halt Munguia's momentum by scoring a knockdown in the 4th round. On 30 September 2023, Álvarez defended his titles against former light middleweight undisputed champion Jermell Charlo. Charlo moved up 2 weight classes for the bout. Canelo ended up winning a unanimous decision against an uninspired Charlo, who was determined to survive and see the final bell.